YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And you guys read the title, saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. But before we get into this, man, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, take the 2 seconds if you want to support to go ahead, smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel, man. Also, take the 2 seconds to go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. You get a lot of information up there first, poll stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff. Now, let's get into this video, man. So, really quick, man, shout out to the people over at Gold Standard. They sent me a package right here, man. Now, Gold Standard, formerly known as GOAT Shoe Care, you guys that have been around for a while may remember maybe a year and a half ago, I believe, around there. Maybe about a year ago, I did actually win one of their giveaways. Just entered their giveaway, happened to win, and got their, when they were GOAT Shoe Care, their premium shoe cleaning Volt kit. And now they, since then I've done a video with them. And now they reached out to me recently on Instagram and was like, hey, what's your address? What's your email? We got some things we want to send you and have you review them on the channel. And I was like, dope, man, absolutely. I love their previous shoe cleaning thing. Once again, when I said they were GOAT Shoe Care, now their previous situation, I even still use some of the stuff in that pack to this day. And now they sent me the new one. Real quick, I actually have it out already. I did, I thought I filmed the unboxing already, but I didn't hit record, so I'm not gonna put it back into the box. But here we go, man. You guys can see it right here, the Gold Standard Sneaker Cleaning Vault. I'm gonna pop the top, and then we're gonna talk about what is in here. But real quick, here we go. Here it is, the Gold Standard Vault. All right, YouTube, you guys can see it right here, the Gold Standard Vault, man. I'm gonna go through one at a time, but I just want you guys to see the presentation that it comes with. So it does you get like that bank vault kind of look right there, instructions on the back, you know what I mean? But I do just want to go over the presentation really quick, because that's really dope, the way that they present it. Here it is, you can see, and actually, right, so here this is, believe it or not, from a year and a half or however long ago it is. I went ahead and grabbed this right here. I do still have, and it's the exact same presentation still. You can still see it was GOAT. You can see the GOAT logo right there, whatever. But let's get into what comes in this particular pack. So let me open this. I'm going to keep it down here, and we'll go through everything one at a time, man. So to start off, we'll go through this right here. This is the sneaker spray, sneaker repellent spray. You know what I mean? This is what you put on your shoe to keep stains, water, all of that off. That's what I use on all of my sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Every time I get a pair of sneakers, you got to have some sort of stain repellent. You know what I mean? And this stuff works great. Once again, I believe I did a video on these in the past. I might have did a video on this versus crepe spray in the past, but absolutely love this product right here. You know what I'm saying? Definitely recommend it. Once again, every single pair of shoes that I have, especially suede sneakers, right, I go ahead and spray down as soon as I get them. You know what I'm saying? When I'm planning on, if it's been a while, you know what I'm saying, if I'm planning on wearing them, I'll spray them down again. But absolutely love this stuff right here. Let's move on, see what else we got in the pack. Now this is what is the main, I guess the main course of the pack, and that is this Gold Standard Sneaker Cleaning right here. Let me put it up near the camera so you guys can see it, but this is the sneaker cleaner. And what's really good about this, so the bottle doesn't look that big, but you don't need that much to wash your sneakers. Like literally like 2 or 3 drops, maybe more than, maybe I'm being a little generous, but I usually go like 3 drops. So what you do, you dip your brush in the water, you pour some of this on the brush. I usually go like 3, maybe 4 drops on there, and then go ahead, lather up your shoe, right? What I'm saying is you don't need like this much to do one shoe. It's not like it's gonna do 3 shoes. You can get a lot of shoes cleaned in here. Absolutely love this stuff. Does a great job on all materials, which is something that not a lot of sneaker cleaners offer. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you have to have, a lot of times you have to have a suede cleaner, you have to have a leather cleaner. This does a great job on all materials. Absolutely love this stuff right here. And I'm actually, gold standard, you guys hit me up at the perfect time. I was running low on sneaker cleaner, so I definitely needed this, and super excited to have this, because after pretty much every time I wear a sneaker, you know what I'm saying, unless it's like a beater, I'll go ahead and wash it, you know what I mean? So make sure that it's clean. So thank you guys for that. And then also in here, this is the toughest thing to get out, just the way that it's shaped. But here is the brush, the gold standard brush right here. Once again, like I said, when you're using your cleaner, you're gonna need the brush, and they do supply you with that brush already right here. And this is a great brush. So I told you guys about how I use it. Like, this is a product that I actually use. You know what I'm saying? I got the Volt before, and I actually do use their products. Like, once again, the branding changed, but it's still the same people, same quality. Here is the GOAT brush. You know what I'm saying? It's faded, you know what I'm saying? I use, like I said, I use this a lot. It's kind of faded, but there's the GOAT brush, and it is a great brush. And as you can see, it's pretty beat up on the bottom. So once again, great to have a new brush right here. You got the gold standard branding there, gold standard branding on the sides, man. Once again, great brush to use it on all of your materials. Absolutely love this. Once again, extremely happy to have more, you know what I'm saying, a re-up of everything. Now there are 2 more things left in the Volt right here. Now, once again, I tell you guys, I use their materials all the time. I use their products all the time. We do get the microfiber towel, which is huge. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people try to use like regular towels, which is okay in some situations, but especially for suedes or nubucks or any more delicate material, you want to have some sort of microfiber towel. So once again, thank you guys for sending, you know what I'm saying, the whole Volt over. I do need another one of these, you know what I mean? Once again, I'm not making this stuff up, guys. I do really use their product. Here is the old one. Where is it? Here's the old GOAT microfiber cloth, and it's pretty, you can see it gets used a lot. Do need to clean that again soon. And now, you know what I'm saying, the last part of the pack. This is, to me, my single favorite part of the pack. You know what I'm saying? I walk around with these in my wallet all the time. I'm not going to pull them all. I don't know how many come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so we get 5 of them in here. It actually comes with 6 of the wipes. I didn't realize that I dropped one of them when I opened the pack before, but there are 6 wipes in the Volt. But what this is the gold standard cleaning cloth, like cleaning wipe. So this is really dope. It's pretty much this, and this all wrapped into one. And what it does is, I'm not going to open them up right now because I don't need them. Don't want to waste one just for this video. But the gold standard cleaning wipes, I keep them in my wallet. Like I said, you walk around, who knows, maybe you not a scub, but maybe you get some dirt on your shoe, like an excessive amount of dirt, or maybe you're out on vacation or whatever it is, and you don't have time to pull out the cleaning soap or the cloth or the towel or all of that, you know what I'm saying? But you're on your way to a venue and you still want to look fly when you show up. You pull these out, wipe your shoes down. These have one side of it is like dotted, kind of rough, so that way if you really need to put some friction on there, you can use that side. Then there is a softer side, and it takes up anything out of your shoe, which I absolutely love, man. Dope product right here. This is, like I said, I saved this for last intentionally. This is in the whole Volt, this is my single favorite product in here. Use these a lot. I've actually gone back a couple times and bought, so on their website, at least last time that I checked, which was, when's the last time? Maybe 2 or 3 months ago, I bought more of these. Last time I checked, you could buy just the pack of these, right? A big pack of just wipes. This to me is my, once again, I'm gonna say it again, my single favorite thing in the whole pack is these wipes, just because of the portability of it, right? You can put it in your wallet, you can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your car. If you're going on vacation, you don't need to bring the entire vault with you. You can just bring this, man. But that is the last thing in here, you guys. Once again, thank you, Gold Standard. Really happy that this was sent over to me, and it was sent just in the nick of time, you guys. Now, let me know if you guys have any questions, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up on Instagram if you have any questions. That's the best way to get a hold of me. I mean, you guys can always leave comments down in the video. I appreciate that as well. But make sure that you guys go over there to Gold Standard. I'm going to put their Instagram on the screen right here, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that you go ahead, follow them, you know what I'm saying? If you need a sneaker cleaner, hit them up. Very affordable, you know what I'm saying? This entire vault, I believe, is a $50 vault. You know what I'm saying? And for $50, you get your microfiber towel, you get your cleaning solution, you get your spray, your stain repellent spray, you get a brush, you get your wipes, you know what I'm saying? For $50, it's absolutely worth it. You know what I'm saying? Once again, happy that I was able to hit for the first one that I got, was able to get it on the giveaway. Then for this, I was able to get it, you know what I'm saying? They sent it to me. But if this is your first time going ahead and picking up, you know what I'm saying, sneaker cleaning materials, I highly recommend the Volt, you know what I'm saying? But then say after time goes by, you run out of the repellent spray, right? But you still have some cleaner, you have wipes, all of that stuff. Then you could just go to their website and just buy the repellent. Or say you run out of the solution and you have everything else, you could just buy the solution. Or for me, what the most common one was is that I ran out of these a lot, my favorite thing in the whole pack, and I'll go back and just buy packs of these, right? But that is it for this video, you guys, man. Thank you so much for watching, man. If you were new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. If you want to support, I don't ask for money, man. All that I ask is that you take the half a second to go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, poll stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. And that's pretty much it, man. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.